Chris has picked up one load of gravel, and that is nice looking gravel. This is the stuff that doesn't have any sand in it. I am actually looking for the dolly. I can't find it. And I want to go get that pumpkin. Look at these crazy chickens. Chris brought sand over here for the base of the greenhouse, and it doesn't matter where you smooth something out, that's where they want to make a mess. Oh my goodness. Anyway, I'm trying to find the dolly. I have no idea where it is. We have two of them. One has the 100-pound, the yellow one has the 100-pound propane tank on it in the shed. And I don't know where the other one is. I'm trying to think what we used it for. It's too funny. Oh my goodness. Anyway, I have pickles, bread and butter pickles on the stove, cooking. Got my canner heating up. Oh, I thought I would get some, I thought I would get some cleaning done in the new tiny house. Went out there last night to get something, and a mouse scurried past me. So we've got to get, Chris has just got back from town and get it in the gravel. We're going to seal up the passageway. He was waiting to do it when he cut the steel, but we've got to get it done right away because now we have mice in the new kitchen, and my clothes are still in there, and my best towels are in there, and the flour is in there. So we're setting traps and sticky pads, and there's mouse poop everywhere. I went out there to clean it out today. Not very happy, but you know, this is the time of year they're looking to get inside to stay warm and make nice nests in really nice towels and stuff like that. My winter scarves would make a great place to make a nest. So I didn't sleep last night. This is gonna drive me crazy till we get these mice out of there. And my search and destroy mission for the dolly is not going that well. I want to go get one of those pumpkins and weigh it. Right here in plain view. This dolly itself is heavy enough to pull. It's meant to hold 600 pounds. So now I guess I have to run over some vines. There's stuff everywhere. Hello, Mr. Pumpkin. Now, if I keep it tipped, I should be able to get it over to the other building. I've got two more there that I've picked. See how much this one weighs, and then I might come back and get the others. Or leave them in the sun till they turn a little more orange, I guess. I don't know. This is working just fine. Except for all the tripping hazards around here. Plenty of those. There we go. That wasn't so bad. Well, I was sure that one was closer to 60 pounds, or maybe more, but it's only 50 as well. So, seems to be an average so far. The other one was exactly 50, this one's 50. It's hard to see with the sun being low in the sky like this, but Chris has got the fabric down. It looks so awesome. You can see how nice and flat he got it. And he's added some more sand to the side here to kind of, because this is the highest part, like I said earlier. And got lots of sand out back, that's for sure. So yeah, this looks awesome. And now he's going to start unloading the gravel from the trailer. to put in here. I'm gonna get these little trees moved too. There's a couple really scruffy looking little guys out front. I might replace them, I'm not sure. Oh my goodness, it's starting to cool off. Look at Mr. I need to go in the freezer. I need to trim my tomatoes. I'll just wait till these pickles are out of the canner. Then I've got to trim my tomatoes, and I think I might transplant some peppers today. Well, tonight, because that's the only... It's going to be cooler for the next couple of weeks. I think tomorrow's warm and then cooler after that. And who's the prettiest? Boy, Desi. Well, you got a really goofy comb. From this end without the sun in my eyes, but that looks so nice and tidy. Doesn't that look awesome? So he's going, well, he's still got quite a bit on the trailer there. He's going to do this next. He's already started, and that will be the whole greenhouse area in gravel, which is awesome. I'm going to start laying out the walls, I think. So that's a fair bit of this area done too, and just about done with this load. And he's going to go and get another one, check to see if they were open today. Look at all the turkeys in the potato patch where we already picked. I've also been in here trying to organize the canning rack. So I've got some spare boxes up there to put the stuff in boxes, and I basically took all the boxes out so I could see where I have space. And what I'm trying to do is keep all the sweet stuff and leaving space here to put my jam and jellies when I make some more. I'll do that once the weather turns cold. Still have tons of spaghetti sauce from last year, so that's why I didn't do any this year. Still have tons of pickled beets, so I didn't do any this year. Not doing relish this year, so I'm concentrating on pickles. I keep messing up the recipes, but whatever, they'll get eaten. And I'm going to go do another batch of this size jar, but I'm putting bread and butter pickles in them. And that is going to be it for pickles, I think. But what I did do, the liquid I had made for the dill pickles, I just put in jars, so it's got everything mixed. And if I have more cucumbers, I can just put them in jars and make some more dill pickles. So I've got this all organized. Like I said, I'm leaving this space for jams when I get those done, and jellies. And I'm hoping to get this bad boy in the oven today. Get at least another pumpkin done, like today. Well, that is another batch of bread and butter pickles out of the canner. I've got the roast in the oven heating up. I cooked it yesterday. Just so you know, I cook, if it's a really lean roast with not much fat in it. I cook it the day before and then I reheat it the next day, and it cuts like butter. We eat the leftovers, and it's like, wow, this is better the second time. So I've just started doing that. I cook it the first day, I slice it all up, I put it back in the juice, and I reheat it the next day, and it's way better, way better. And I put 2 teaspoons of organic beef broth mix in and 2 cups of water. And so it just makes lots of juice for it to cook in. It's just amazing. Anyway, that's what we're having, and we're having our own potatoes and our own vegetables for supper, but I just thought I'd give you a quick look before it gets too dark at what Chris has got done. Just checking to see if Barney's in there again. I don't know how many times I chased him out of there today. It's going to be a beautiful sunset again today. It's still smoky, very smoky again. But I've got to close up the greenhouse anyway. It's getting chilly this time of day. And I think he has the alcove area here done. And he's actually doing the driveway now with the second load. He's almost finished unloading. Yeah, this area is all done. Cool. Oh my goodness, it's hard to walk on. It's like walking in sand. It's so squishy, and there's, like I say, there's not much sand in this gravel. This is what we wanted, was nice clean stuff. We're so sick of tracking sand in the house. So that's looking really nice. A few more loads off the trailer. Oh, I've been wanting gravel. And of course the lumber's on the way, but he can go get another load some other time to do the rest of the driveway. Look at the sky, how beautiful it is. Anyway, guys, I am done for today. I need to go sit down. I'm tired. And guess I'm doing pumpkin tomorrow. Get one of those giant pumpkins carved up and baked. And I might even do one the next day, because gotta start getting through those pumpkins before the cold temperatures come and freeze them all and ruin them. Anyhow, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that notification bell and share this video with your family and friends. We'll see you next time.